Okay, how would you like a recipe for some delicious, easy tuna salad? I've got 2 of the small cans of tuna in here. This is the albacore tuna. It's all white and it is dolphin safe. I've got about a 1/4 cup of onion. The onions are to taste, however you like them. If you don't like onions, leave them out. You like more onion, put more in there. This is about a 1/4 cup of chopped celery. If you want more celery, put more celery. If you don't want as much celery, put less. This is a very flexible recipe. In fact, it's really not something that I ever measure. I just dump it in there. So we've got the tuna, the onions, the celery, and now I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish. Now I have about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Again, now I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Again, to taste. I'm going to squeeze just a tiny bit of lemon, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. But you know, seafood just tastes better with lemon in it, right? So just a little bit, or leave it out. Now, I don't want to break the tuna up too finely, but also I don't want it too chunky. So, but also that's up to you. You like it broken up real fine, or you want to leave in big chunks. And you could also use fresh tuna with this. You know, it should be cooked. But I use the big can or 2 small cans each time I make this. I make this for my husband. Obviously, I don't eat it. I'm vegetarian, so I don't eat it. But I used to eat it, and I actually do have a really good vegetarian tuna salad recipe. If you'd like to see that, I will leave a link below. Shouldn't take you this long. And there you have it, delicious, easy tuna salad. Put this on some crackers, put it on some toast, tuna and toast. Put it on some bread with some lettuce and tomato, and avocado, or make yourself a tuna melt. Thank you for watching. You take care now.